Here on our homestead, we grow food in our garden that lasts us at least 1 year. And we are a part of a collaboration with Susan over at the Hillbilly Chicken Ranch called Garden 25. Sow It, Grow It. Her link and the playlist will be in our description. Eggplant flowers. Soon we're going to have some eggplant. This garden cloth works amazing. Second year in the row I've used it on the eggplants, and I'm not getting any eggplant fleas. You know, those stinkers. The Montreal melons are growing. Yay. Amish pie pumpkin. Yay. Tomatoes. And more tomatoes. Snap peas. We've been eating all of them so far. I haven't saved one. Beets. I'll be picking these next week. Peppers. And more peppers. A couple subscribers sent us an email asking us, what do we use in the garden to keep the animals out, especially deer? And I use this tape. I tie it to our ropes or our stakes in the garden, and it blows in the wind. And of course, a scarecrow is always good too. To one of our subscribers named Glenda, you get to watch your gourd grow. Isn't it so cute? Gourds. Gourd. 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 Gourds everywhere. Asparagus bean. Hopi squash. Hopi squash. In case you don't know already, Jason and I live in New York State. And here in New York State, we have been experiencing a lot of haze and smoke in the air from all the forest fires in Canada. We haven't even seen the sun really in a week. Stay safe to our Canadian friends. Mason bees. Cosmo bloomed. Yay. Rose of Sharon. Starting to bloom. Once a month, I fertilize our garden with 2 tablespoons of a liquid concentrate into 1 gallon. Favorite fertilizer, the Coast of Maine. Best product ever, in my opinion. They give you all the information right on the back on how to fertilize whatever it is you want to fertilize, indoor or outdoor plants. Pretty handy too. I keep these gallon jugs. I mix it together right in the garden, and I put it right to the roots. Don't forget those tomato plants. Still my favorite fertilizer. Soon I'm going to have to clean up my mess. All of the planters that I used to start our vegetables this year and flowers, I have to clean it up, put it all back in the bins. But today I'm sanding down boards and Jason is getting ready to work on our project again. That will be in an upcoming video. We received some mail from Big Family Expedition. Well, these are great. So we're going to grow some seeds. And in an upcoming video, we even have a little review to talk about. Thank you, Chrissy and Kenny. Target practice has begun. While Jason and I were in Cape Vincent, New York for the weekend, I made banana bread truffles. If you haven't already seen that video, I'll leave it at the end. Once we arrived home, it was time to start picking blackberries. My goal is to always pick 200 cups of blackberries per season. And high five, just picked our first red Roma tomatoes. Hope you all have a good week, and thank you so much for stopping by.